Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we've got some information here on the Home Depot special buy of the day. So finally, the first day in several days where it wasn't something really boring and stupid. But there's not really too many impressive deals. There are some okay deals here. So let's take a look at what we've got. The one that catches my eye here is this one, this Ridgid 18 volt Octane. So this one here is let's take a look at this brushless combo kit. So you get the hammer drill, you get the impact driver here, and they're giving us two 3 amp hour batteries in this kit, as well as the charger in the case, for $279. Now they're saying it's 47% off. They're saying, well, you're saving $246 right there. I'm not believing that because I don't think I've ever really seen it at the $500 price, but that's what you've got. Let's take a look back here, and so you get some Ryobi Kits. Now this one is like 44% off. Let's take a look at what we got in there. I don't think any of these are brushless. And is this that 6? Yeah, this is that 6 charger. And you know, just let me just warn you in case a lot of you see these chargers and get all hot and bothered about it. Oh, I gotta get this charger. This is a sequential charger. Okay, so this is fine if you're gonna leave your stuff charging overnight, or you have several batteries that just need to get charged during the day. But just know that it's gonna charge this one, and then this one, and then this one at a time. So to me, I've just never really got my arms around these kinds of chargers. But this kit here is 44% off, down to $429. And so now I know a lot of you keep asking about the airstrikes and all that. Yeah, we bought an airstrike over the summer as part of Ryobi's buy more, save more deal. So this particular 18 gauge airstrike right here is normally $99. And I think with the buy more, save more, we ended up paying somewhere around $81 with it. Based on the savings. Now this kit here is not really any kind of impressive savings at all. They're only giving you 17% off. Same with this kit. This one here, they're giving you 20% off. So normally this airstrike is $99, and the 16 gauge straight nailer is normally like $150, I think. So you're getting about $250 worth of tools, plus a battery and a charger for $279. So basically for $30 more, they're throwing in the battery and the charger for free. Is that a good deal? You know, I guess it's better than going in and paying full price in the store. So let me see, how much are they saying that we're saving here? About $70. I think that's piecemealing these two guys here. Normally with Ryobi, when there's like some kind of a Ryobi Day sale or something like that, you're paying $99 for a battery kit that comes with two 4 amp hour batteries and a charger for $99. So it's kind of like it's a savings compared to what you would go pay right now in the store. Now a lot of these deals sold out. When I was looking even just a little while ago at 6 o'clock this morning, these were already sold out. I don't even know if they were available even at 3 a.m. So they've even put some of the HPs on sale here, which makes this interesting now, because let me see if they have my 3-inch cutoff that I bought. But these are all sold out anyways. And you know what? I don't think these were even available this morning when it went live at 3 a.m. Eastern time. But so yeah, you get the angle grinder, and this is what I was talking about before. So this angle grinder, I think, is normally $99. Let me check. Yes, you can see it right here. So this grinder is normally $99. So let's see how good of a deal they're giving us here. So basically for $159, they're asking you to pay $60 for these two here, for the charger kit and the two batteries. And let me just make sure, are these 4 amp hour batteries? Let me see what kind of battery they're giving us here, if they're specific about it. No, see, they're giving it right here. They're giving us the P191s. These are the 3 amp hour batteries, but they are HP batteries. let's see what they normally sell these for. Because see, Ryobi recommends in the owner's manual, or at least for my tool, my HP tool, they recommend using HP batteries. 3 amp hour HP batteries is normally $129. So you come back here now, and you're $129 plus $99. So $229 would be how much you would pay for all of this separately. So it looks like they're saving you about, $75 or so off. And I don't see how in the world their math here is telling you that this is normally $307. From what I've heard from other people when this comes up, and this came up again about a month ago, other people in other cities have told me that in their city, some of these tools are higher priced. So in that case, it would be originally a $307 kit rather than the $259, whatever the price was. So, but anyway, at least here they are saving you a decent amount of money. So this to me is still better than walking into the store and paying full price for the grinder. Yeah. So anyway, had these been available and not allegedly sold out, which I don't think they were ever even available, these HP deals are not too bad. I mean, they're better than going into the store and paying the full price, because now you can score a couple of HP batteries. Now, if you were only interested in buying just like the tool only on any of these HPs, you're probably better off going into the store and buying the raw tool for $99 like I did, and use the Lowe's coupon like we always show you. We get them off eBay. All of those deals are sold out. So yeah, they have Ridgid's jigsaw and they have their impact driver. So here we're both saving in the mid-30% off. Ryobi's soldering iron here is almost 50% off, and same with the bandsaw, the cordless bandsaw. So look at this. You're saving $128 off their normal price, and you can see that's about a 45% savings on the bandsaw. And then if you come back here, that's not the soldering iron. Every time I see this, I always think that it is. It's from a distance. It's not. This is their answer to Dremel. This is their little rotary kit for $99. Normally about $192 if you include the battery on this. Anything else interesting? So nothing else there is really jumping out with any kind of huge discount. So these two here, this is the, let me see, this is the 18 gauge, the Airstrike, and then the stapler, the crown stapler. So $179. If we look at how much this 18 gauge stapler normally is, see, he's normally $99, so I don't really see how, no, $79, so $99 with the battery. I don't think they're really saving you much there on this. These are tool only. Yeah, they're not, this is not even close. So you got to be careful with these Ryobi deal of the days. Sometimes you end up, in my opinion, not even saving anything. The soldering irons are taking 30% off on average here. These other ones are sold out. And okay, now looking at our videos tab, if you missed some of the videos we've uploaded the last few days, especially last night, you gotta see this one right here. This is where we opened up Dewalt's, what we think is their best tool deal of 2013. That's that 3-tool woodworking kit from Dewalt that's only available at Lowe's, and it's $100 off right now. It's got the jigsaw in it, it has the sander in it, and it has the multi-tool in it. Great video. You got to see that one. Numerous people have already responded to me since we've been showing you this in August, that they've been able to go in and get this deal. It's very hard to find it because you have to look up in the stores. And then, of course, on Saturday, we did this great Sam's Club tour showing the tool deals on our Sam's Club walk with me, shop with me. And then on Friday, we showed you the new Dewalt cordless sander for drywallers that was announced. Pretty incredible tool. And then don't forget, the other day, we also showed you this plumbing fail with the CPVC pipe and how it gets cracked in the walls and how you can do these repairs. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time, and lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.